separate by 1 meter, and everyone must sit in their So, the main goal in this game is not that you go closer to the white. So, let me start. First one, throw the ball this way, and the name of this ball called Jack. And when you start, the first one, put the ball somewhere here. And after that, the first player, the red one, they start every time the red one, must put the ball closer to the ball. After that, the referee gives this signal each team is next. So, now you play this game on 2 teams, the red one and the blue one. This game opportunity to play 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, and by team. So, when we start, the white ball must be in this field, not before this line. So, the first one has to be standing here, not in that field.
Да станем или нет?
Не знам колко ми е добър английски.
Да се разбира.
Значи, нямаш право да станеш. Everybody in the game must sit on the chair, not to stand when it's your turn. You must sit all the time.
But first,
Try your ball. Yeah, just try to be closer to. Different weight, so and you practice. Check on the board. Okay, in this case, sometimes it's different. Check please. Okay. Now the red team. The main goal is to put here. Even touch the ball. No problem. Now the next player is from the blue team. Because we already have on the red team 1 ball closer to the white one. So the blue team. Because we play like team, the So now, next one
This one. This line is out.
Yeah, but I'm a super.
And I have this.
Every red ball who is closer to the white until you get another blue one. So, careful. 1, 2, 3. So, after that. So, the result is 3 points for the referee. Because now, here for the referees, and we can leave this game down to the result of every game. Play game.